All right. My ears are popping. We are getting higher. We're at Parque Arví and we're taking 2 cable cars up this mountain. You can feel the wind blowing and I can feel the air cooling as we get higher. Because below in the valley, oh God, it was hot and the cars were packed. But the higher we get, the lesser the people. Ooh, the colder it gets. I'm glad I brought a little jacket. Parque Arví is over 39,000 acres of forest, trails, and fresh mountain air. You can explore solo or join a guided eco tour. Either way, bring comfy shoes. And a jacket, because it gets cold up here. Forest, through the forest, we have almost arrived. Be prepared for a landing in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh God. All right, Mila, let's go. Vamos. Ah, look, the leaves. All right, and we made it. We made it. Parque Arví, a massive ecological nature reserve where you can hike, eat, and shop local, as you can see right behind us, and just breathe that fresh air. Let's go. Come on, Mila. Come on. Dang, we got some nice horses over here. It smells like manure. I want, there's too much to choose from. Oh my gosh, a bundle of fruit, 7 pesos. It's time to breathe. Time to get outside. PureOceanEyes here, aka Brittany. And respira, it's time to breathe. So let's breathe. We're out here in Parque Arví, which is like on the top of a green mountain in Medellín. And it's time to go hiking. So let's go. What do we have here? We have like a little hut. Let's go in. Ooh. Whoa. Very cool. Little huts. Hi. Okay, so our little secret hiking trail is closed. It's now considered private property. So we are going to go a different direction. Okay, I guess this is a part of the RV experience. To live a better RV experience, they want to take into account some things, which is cool is because it's English and Spanish. Double whammy. But we're gonna go explore on our own. Let's go. All right, now we're in the nature reserve. There's actually a lot of different shelters. You can barbecue, have a picnic. It's very relaxing. So I did not bring a swimsuit this time, but you can definitely go swimming in there. Obviously at nighttime, there's different rules, but it's ice cold. Don't let them fool you. If you are watching this, let this be a reminder to at least get into nature at least once a week, at least. We need to replenish our soul. Gotta get a little core workout. You want to feel the water with me? You want to feel the water? Nah, we don't want her. We don't want Mila muddy. We don't want her muddy, but we're definitely gonna test this out. Woohoo! Okay, yep, it's pretty chilly. If I had a swimsuit, I'd probably last just maybe a couple minutes. Definitely not the soaking kind of water, unless you're an extreme fitness freak, but not that extreme, only sometimes. But yeah, whew. You know what I need? I need one of those filters to like suck the water, the river water. Okay, that's enough for me, my fingertips. My fingertips, that's it. That's all, that's all. All right, we love waterfalls. The water is ice, 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 ice cold. So my fingers only lasted a few seconds. I have cold plunged this river before, nude, clothing, optional, in the middle of the night about 2 years ago. I was in and right back out. It was freezing, it was crazy, but I like to do crazy stuff. But yeah, the water's too cold up here in the mountains, and obviously it's gotten chilly for me. I've put my jacket on, so obviously coming up here, gotta dress in layers, gotta be prepared. When you're in the, oh God, you okay, girl? You good? You good? Step outside and breathe. Let the noise of the world fade behind you. Here in nature, you remember who you are. Every leaf, every breeze, every ripple in the water. Out here, time slows. The mind softens. And stillness teaches everything. In nature, you are not lost. You are home. So walk, breathe, be. The earth is waiting to remind you you are part of something beautiful. All right, we have soaked in nature and we are going to take the bus down this mountain instead of the cable cars. So yeah, there's different modes of transportation to come up and go down. You just pick your choice. Pick your poison. So yeah, right now we are just waiting for the bus, and then I think we're gonna make a stop at like a cool little restaurant cafe thing and check that out, and I think that's a wrap here in a little bit. So from city views to forest peace, Parque Arví is a perfect escape from the buzz of Medellín. If you're ever in town, this definitely should be on your list. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more adventures like this. Would you take a cable car to the forest with me? Let me know in the comments. Ciao! Ooh, brr. I'm just waiting for the bus to go back down to the city. It's so cold up here. Come warm me up.